Hello, family. Welcome back. This is your host, Nila Enchanted at Mama Ninja's Kitchen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our 2022 Father's Day celebration. Yes, a king for a day. Open collaboration with the Daughters of Destiny. This year, I am using two special edition videos to celebrate Father's Day. Volume number 1 is a collaboration with the Daughters of Destiny, a king for a day. So guys, please join us as we celebrate Father's Day in a grand style. The distinguished ladies of the Daughters of Destiny include Shawni on the spot, Lady Cinnamon, and styling with Gigi Faison. This year, they do have a guest host in the person of Denise, inspiring the core style with Denise. The playlist to access all of those videos specially curated in celebration of Father's Day is hashtag King for a Day 22. So guys, click on it and please watch all the videos to the end. And if you like what you see, which I am sure, support us and subscribe. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's have fun celebrating Father's Day 2022 in a grand style. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests of honors. Our men celebrated in a unique style 2022. Happy Father's Day ensemble. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your host, Nila Enchanted. This is going to be a unique video, a compilation of styles, design pattern of napkin folding, gentleman kingly napkin folding, in tuxedo style as well as shirts style. So I am using these characters, this element, colors, meters to showcase the characteristics of men. Men characteristics include honesty, ambitious, strength, brave, hardworking, empathy, loyalty, intelligence, family-oriented, respectful, truthful, and honorable. The first part of this video is to show you how you can transform your dinner table to that manly, kingly table presence using napkin folding, either in a gentleman style, shirt style, or tuxedo style. So guys, you will see a variety of styles, colors, and patterns of napkin folding that I am currently working on, giving you some design ideas. And part 2 of this video is going to showcase various tablescape using the napkin foldings in the tuxedo style, jacket, and shirt style. Guys, I am sure you are in for a treat of a lifetime. Let's have some fun. As you are entertained, mesmerized, and perhaps come along in this adventurous journey with us, I hope that you remember to hit the like button, thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up if you find value in this video, and share it to your community, to your families and loved ones, so they also can be blessed through this video. Once again, this is your host, Nila Enchanted, welcoming you as we celebrate Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all fathers of today and fathers of tomorrow. To all our men around the world, happy Father's Day to you.
Be if I could not walk with him. I'm in his hands, he carries me home, frees me from all my burdens. I have no fear, there ain't no doubt, he's by my side, he shines his light upon me. And when I'm weak, he's always strong. His love for me will lead me home to the Father's house. I'm in the Father's house. I say a prayer and he takes me there, home to the Father's house. Here in his house there is a light, it is shining for you and me. Just open your heart, open your eyes, he will show you his might and glory. And though I slip, I never fall, he lifts me up and turns his face towards me. And in his eyes I see his love, I take his hand, he leads me home, lead me home to the Father.